You're a freelancer or a small business owner managing marketing for different brands? Raise your hand if you've ever spent hours just writing a marketing plan. The struggle is real. Pero paano kung may AI tool na kayang gawin yan para sa'yo? 10 times faster, smarter, and more strategic. Meet Gimify, your all-in-one AI marketing team built by marketers for marketers. From freelancers, small business owners, to large corporations, Gimify's got you. Let's put it to the test. Let's say kailangan natin ng creative brief for a specialty coffee shop. Click Creative Brief and enter key details like objectives and deliverables. In just few seconds, Gimify generates 3 detailed marketing plans, ready to use or tweak as needed. Gimify is with you all throughout the marketing process, from research and ideas, all the way up to execution. At hindi lang yan, Gimify has 11 chat assistants na kayang sumulat ng captions and scripts, i-adjust ang tone of voice, at i-handle ang iba pang marketing tasks in seconds. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Let AI take the load off so you can focus on innovation and strategy. Try Gimify today because marketing should be easy, not overwhelming.